Hi everyone, my name is Erica and I'm a tutor at Coding Kids. Welcome to the first episode in our mini-series on GameMaker. In today's episode, I'll be talking a little bit about what GameMaker is and what sorts of things you can do with it. For those of you who haven't heard of it before, GameMaker Studios is a game development environment made by the company Yo-Yo Games. It features a drag and drop interface, which means that you can create some rather remarkable and sophisticated games without actually having to write a single line of code. Although there are paid versions of the software, one of the best parts about GameMaker is that you can still get it for free without compromising on any of the resources or features that it has. You can download GameMaker for free from their official website, which I'll leave a link to down in the description. GameMaker is quite a powerful and widely used tool, and there are actually some games on the market that have been made using GameMaker. If you're interested in finding out a little bit more about these kinds of games, I'll leave a link down in the description to Yo-Yo Games' official website, where they do a showcase on some of the games that have been made using their software. Barring more advanced 3D games, you can make pretty much any kind of game with GameMaker, from shooters to puzzle games to platformers to adventure RPGs. If you can name it, there's a good chance that you can make it in GameMaker. It's worth bearing in mind that although there are some 3D features available, you're more likely to be making 2D games with GameMaker. In some of the paid versions of the software, you can actually port your games over to other platforms. So if you make something, then you can play it on your Xbox One, your PS4, your PC, your mobile, or other platforms. The software also has a scripting language called GML, so although you can make games entirely using the drag and drop interface, you can also add a little bit more flexibility and functionality to it by using this scripting language. GML is a good start for people who are wanting to get into coding for games, as it gives you sort of a taste of how to code without having to learn all the tricky programming paradigms and languages that are used within industry. Unfortunately, that's all we have time for today, but if you have kids who are interested in game development, then Coding Kids is running some GameMaker workshops over the September holidays in Brisbane City. The workshops will be held at the Microsoft Innovation Centre from Thursday the 28th of September to Friday the 29th of September. We also have an early bird discount if you enroll before the 1st of September, so if you're interested, please make sure to get on it quick. Make sure to stick around through the rest of the week, as our resident GameMaker expert Harry will be showing us how to make a game that's reminiscent of the arcade classic Asteroids using GameMaker. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comments below or on our Facebook page. Thanks very much for watching this episode, and we'll see you next time.